Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video, we are going to be making some rhinestone jeans. I saw these on Pinterest, so I was like, oh, that would be a cute idea to make. So I got these jeans from OOTD Fab. You guys are going to need some iron, some iron-on rhinestone. I got these from Amazon. They come in a pack of 2, so you're just going to need 2 for the front of it. And you're going to need your scissors, and that's basically it. So I want mine to spread out all over the jeans. So what I'm going to do is cut out these individually so that I can iron them on. Be very careful when you're cutting them out. You don't cut onto the rhinestone. You don't cut too closely to it because you're going to have to peel off that first layer in order to iron it on. One more thing, because I know somebody's going to ask, you cannot wash these. These are iron-on rhinestones, just like any other rhinestones. If you throw it in a wash, they are just going to fall off. So it cannot be washed. If you wash it, it's just going to disappear. That's just how rhinestone works. So I'm going to cut out each and every one of these separately. Be nice and gentle with it. And this is the first step. This is really easy and simple. You can do these onto shirts, onto jackets, whatever you want to add these onto. Just to add a little flair. So that's what I'm doing. By the way, these rhinestones are called Clear 24 Music Notes Iron-On Rhinestone. And they are supposed to be for like t-shirts, but obviously I'm using it for these jeans because they're going to be so much cuter. Next step is to place them on your jeans, just to like try to figure out where you want everything to go instead of just iron everything on and don't have an idea. So just lay it out, see if you like it, see if you add on some more, take off some where you want to place everything. And then you can peel off the back of it and get into it. And that's how it looks. Now we're going to peel off the white part, not the plastic part, not the white part. Sorry. The part where the rhinestone is. So that's the part we're just going to stick on to the jeans. Just like that. Then we're going to have to do this to all 24 of them. And while I remove all of the backs, I realized that I could add some more rhinestone. So that's what I did to like kind of fill out all of the space on the jeans because I wanted it to be compact. Not compact, but like closely together. Some of these were hard to pull off since I don't have any nails. After you remove the back of everything, this is all the one side with the back that's removed and the other side that I still needed to do. And I had one left over and some cut up pieces. So this is where the fun starts. We are going to be ironing on everything. So what I was doing at first was rubbing the iron back and forth on it. And obviously the rhinestone started shifting left to right. So what you need to do is just place the iron on top of it. Leave it for like 15 seconds. And keep on doing that until you feel like okay, it's good enough. all the rhinestones are gonna stay on. I did it so that when I lifted up the iron, you can see the plastic around it was shrinking. And that's how I knew that it was good to go and I could remove it. By the way, I'm recording this for TikTok as well. So that's why. That's what I was doing over there. Some of these that I rubbed the iron on, some of the rhinestone came off. But the ones that I just let the iron stay in there for like a few little seconds came out perfectly. And now when you finish iron on everything, it's time to remove the plastic off it. And everything turned out perfectly. This took probably like less than an hour. And this is how it turned out. By the way, I made this top as well, just iron on patch. And I also made the slides. So I'm going to show you guys in a different video. But this is how everything turned out. I only did the front. I was thinking about putting like 2 on the pockets. I'm not sure. I'm still trying to decide. But yeah. I hope that you guys like this video. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.